Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin with, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a set of spanners, a screwdriver, and a clean cloth. It's crucial to work in a well-lit area to avoid any mishaps. Start by unplugging the Silvercrest SKMC 1200 from the mains. Safety is paramount, and working with the appliance powered off will prevent any accidents. Once unplugged, locate the screws on the motor casing. Using your screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. With the screws removed, gently lift the casing to expose the motor. You may notice some dust and debris inside. This is normal. Use your clean cloth to wipe away any accumulated dirt. A clean motor runs more efficiently, so take your time with this step. Next, identify the lubrication points on the motor. Typically, these are small openings or ports designed for oil application. It's important to use the correct type of lubricant. A high-quality machine oil is recommended for this purpose. If you're unsure, consult the user manual for specifications. Now, apply a few drops of oil to each lubrication point. Be careful not to over-lubricate, as this can lead to excess buildup and potential damage. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need without any pressure. After lubricating, reassemble the motor casing by aligning it properly and securing it with the screws you previously removed. Ensure that all screws are tightened adequately to prevent any rattling during operation. Once the casing is back in place, it's time to test the motor. Plug the appliance back into the mains and turn it on. Listen for any unusual noises. A well-lubricated motor should operate smoothly and quietly. If you notice any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your appliance serviced without the hassle of travel. Finally, remember to keep your appliance clean and lubricated regularly to maintain its performance. A little maintenance goes a long way in extending the life of your Silvercrest SKMC 1200. If you ever need a quote before repair, we're here to help with that too. Regular checks and maintenance can save you time and money in the long run. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.